Deepcool Genome 2 BKGN PC case with integrated 360mm liquid cooling system, black case with green helix, PCIe cable included. The upgraded world first unique gaming case with integrated liquid cooling system. 360mm radiator liquid cooling system, include front helix tube, pre-installed. Transparent helix water tube visible at front panel, equipped with LED strip, white color. Optimized internal structure, separating functional areas, providing more compatible extended support for different parts. 2 fixing positions for 3.5 HDD cage to offer a flexible space for PSU. AMD, AM4, with AM4 ready sticker. Genome 2 is the second generation of unique ATX PC case from Deepcool that features a pre-installed extreme liquid cooling system with breathing light pump, cool-looking helix reservoir and big radiator. Genome 2 preserves the key features of the previous version such as tool-less assembly, large side window and mounting options for PC components, whilst adding a number of refinements to give users even more flexibility in configuration and ease of use for ultimate satisfaction with their system build. This case is amazing. I was looking to purchase a liquid cooler and was torn between the Corsair H80i and the Deepcool Captain. Then somehow I stumbled upon this case in my search. As soon as I saw the pictures, I started looking up reviews and found nothing but very high praise for the case. I had to have it. Got it this morning at 10 AM. Immediately started tearing down my old rig and swapping everything over. I am extremely happy with the end result. This case is simply amazing. The liquid cooler is working perfectly and the case looks amazing on my desk. Very good product with a very easy and straightforward install. Definitely worth every penny in my opinion. Maybe even more. Purchased this and thought I would have to return it because it an ATX case and my motherboard is a Maximus Extreme Assembly eATX ROG board. So package it up and was all ready to print label when the motherboard was delivered and I figured let's try it for giggles. It fit with no room to spare but it fix and I love the case. Replace the Deepcool red fans with my own RGB fans and place 6 in case which only came with 4. Easy build and it's the Extreme PC that I build on a regular basis. Asus ROG Max EXT-AS motherboard i7 6704.0 GHz 32GB 3200 DDR4 RAM dual 1070 GDX Gigabyte MSI GPUs 6 Aura RGB fans and I be at a full sight for my sore eyes.